खरीदने में लगा दिया. So if you have realized the money which was initiated from here, from this production firms, unit firms, say it reaches to the household sectors, and from household sector it reaches back again to the firm unit, वापस उसके पास चला गया. So this makes a complete, this flow of income circular complete cycle. इसको पूरा complete बनाती है. Understand? So now I am saying listen it again. मैंने बहुत ही simple शब्द में बताया. अब मैं बताती हूँ. Household provides the factor services, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur to the firm sectors to produce the goods and services, and with the help of these factor services, produce the goods and services, and in return it makes the factor payments to the household sectors in the form of rent, interest, wages and profit, right? And this entire income which is received by the household sector will spend that entire incomes in the forms of consumption expenditures to produce the goods and services, to consumption expenditures on the goods and services which are being produced by the firms. Understand here? So this, hence we are coming to this complete circular flow of इनकम इससे कहते हैं. सो फर्म्स, जो पैसा फर्म से, इनकम फर्म से फ्लो होना शुरू हुई थी, हाउस होल्ड के पास पहुंची, हाउस होल्ड से वापस वो फर्म्स के पास आ गई है. तो ये पूरा ये प्रोसेस पूरी इकोनॉमी में लगातार चलती रहती है. दिस प्रोसेस कीप ऑन फ्लोइंग कंटिन्यूअस, क्योंकि वी हैव अ नेवर एंडिंग वॉन्स. प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी इज अ